Want to save interesting Facebook posts for later? Let's learn how to do it on your iPhone. Hi, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to save Facebook posts on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your iPhone. Once you are in the app, scroll through your Facebook feed by swiping up or down. Look for the post that you want to save. Once you find the post that you want to save, look for the three dots icon in the top right corner of the post. Tap on these three dots to open a menu of options. From the menu that appears, tap on the Save Post option. Finally, tap on the For Later option. This will save the post to your saved folder on your Facebook. And this is how you can save Facebook posts on iPhone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.